Make a great choice today with the 2019 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.